You downloaded a plugin in Roblox Studio and now you can't figure out how to delete it. This video will show you exactly how to remove it from your Roblox Studio completely. If this tutorial helps you, consider subscribing to the channel to support more content like this. First, after opening Roblox Studio, the thing you need to do is click on the Plugins tab at the top of the screen, right where I'm clicking. As you can see, I currently only have one plugin enabled. A lot of people try to remove a plugin by right-clicking it and searching for a delete option. However, the problem is that Roblox Studio does not show a delete option there, which confuses many users. So to properly remove a plugin from Roblox Studio, here's what you need to do instead. Go to the top menu and click on the Plugins tab once again, right where I'm showing on screen. After that, click on Manage Plugins. This will open a new window where all of your installed plugins are listed. Inside this menu, you basically have two different options. The first option is to simply hide or disable a plugin. You can do this by clicking on the toggle button next to the plugin. Once the toggle is disabled, the plugin will no longer appear in your plugins tab inside Roblox Studio. However, keep in mind that the plugin is still installed on your computer and can be enabled again at any time. Now, if you don't just want to hide the plugin and instead want to completely remove it from Roblox Studio, then you need to click on the three dots next to the plugin. After clicking the three dots, select the uninstall option. As soon as you do that, the plugin will be fully uninstalled from Roblox Studio. And that's exactly how you delete or uninstall plugins in Roblox Studio, easily and quickly. Leave a like if this video helped you and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox Studio tutorials and guides.